The views and opinions expressed on any program are those of the persons appearing on the program and do not necessarily reflect the views and opinions of the New Media Factory. Some programs on this network might include strong images and language and may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
And here are the pros. Richard Del Rosario, Jason Webb, and Miko Halili. Welcome to the Bro Show.
Yeah, ako talaga, hindi ko talaga matanggap. Doon sa OBB, pantay-pantay na tayo, ba't kailangan bumaba pa akong ganun?
Ganun talaga yung kailangan, kung ano yung OBB, yung natural na
Ano ba dapat truthful to reality.
Yes.
Ganun ba yun? Well, welcome to the Bro Show.
Welcome to the Bro Show.
My name is Miko Halili.
I'm Jason Webb.
Kulang tayo, bro. Saan yung isa?
John lang yan. Bobo! Bulag!
Sino kaaway nito?
Bobo talaga.
Sino?
Kasira ng araw.
Sino kaaway mo?
Bobo, bulag.
Sino kaaway
Wala,
mo?
di marunong.
Sino kaaway mo?
Hindi, kasi dyan sa parking sa labas eh.
Oh, ano meron?
Kasi paparada ako.
Oh.
Tapos bigla naman pinatuhan ako.
Ba't ka
May nasagi daw ako.
May nasagi ka daw?
Oo.
Sabi nung gwadya?
Oo. Bulag eh. Wala naman, hindi naman niya kita eh. May nasagi daw ako, wala naman.
Anong uniform ng gwadya?
Parang gray eh. Gray yung parang
T-shirt? T-shirt?
Pumiso, magulat ako eh.
Anong pangalan?
Ewan
Police
ko ba?
Inspector
Ano daw?
Kamag-anak yata ng presidente, hindi ko alam.
Ano daw? Edgar.
Ewan ka ba? Kaya
Init ang ulo mo.
Bobo.
Oo.
Grabe oh. Sabi niya, tinamaan ko daw.
Oh.
Wala nga kamarka-marka. Pati yung driver nga nung kabilang sasakyan eh. Sinabi, wala nga raw tama.
O, di ba yung kaibigan mo, tinanong yung driver nung kabilang sasakyan?
Oo.
Ano sabi nung driver nung kabilang sasakyan?
Hindi naman tinamaan.
Hindi tumama?
Oo, hindi tumama. Kaso, wala na eh. Gusto pa akong, ngayon, baka finan pa ako niyan.
Oo nga, baka patawag ka nung head nung agency.
Mapsa.
Ay, nako. Nakita. Ay, alam mo, hindi ako magpapano dyan. Kasi may CCTV.
May CCTV?
Nakita sa CCTV.
Ano nakita sa
Walang
CCTV?
tama.
Walang tama?
Walang tama.
Walang tama.
Oo.
Grabe to si Chard, no? Sa lagay na yan, ha?
Meron ka ba? Baka naman may kopya ka.
Ha?
May kopya ka ng CCTV.
Pinaano ko na sa mga network. Sa news.
May dala ka lang na may dala ka lang na dinner. Pansit.
Ewan ko ba? Ito, bubuhos ako na sana ng kape. Starbucks coffee to. Ay, nako, Diyos ko.
Ay, nako. Anyway,
Welcome, Richard.
Welcome, Chard.
Welcome din, bali.
Sa lagay na yan, hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan yung Game 6, ha?
Di pa.
Oo,
Di pa.
hindi pa natin
Hindi,
pinag-uusapan.
ayoko kasi.
Oh, bakit?
Baka sabihin nila, sour graping ako. Ayoko.
ayaw
Dahil
pag-usapan
nainis
yan.
lang ako dyan sa tumawag na sa labas na...
Oh, linawin lang natin, no? Hindi ka ampalaya.
Hindi.
Bitter.
Hindi ako bitter.
Hindi ka bitter.
Hindi, actually, buong episode, I promise I will smile.
Sige nga, pakita mo nga yung smile mo kasi may sportsmanship ka naman, di ba?
Oo naman.
Oh, sige, pakita mo
Para
yung...
hindi ka marunong maging plastic.
di ba?
Hindi pwede.
Pakita mo yung smile mo. Yeah.
Buong episode yan, ha?
Yan,
O yung double chin mo, lumalabas na naman.
Sorry.
Yan.
Okay.
Oh.
Smile na ako, ha?
Diba? So, even if, kasi syempre public service natin, we have to talk about what everyone's talking about, which was and in no connection to yung car incident mo kanina, no?
Talaga.
The
Bobo.
controversial the controversial foul on James Yap against Mark Kagiwa in the closing moments of game number 6.
Marami nagsasabi, yun yung key doon sa laro na yun.
Oh, kasi because of the foul, nagka-2 free throws si Mark Kagiwa. And Mark Kagiwa both free throws, and that was the go-ahead basket for Ginebra. So,
Buti nga, hindi 3 points eh. Malay mo, 3 points yung pag hindi natawagan ng foul, baka 3 points pa yung natira.
Oo nga.
Oo, di ba? Tingin mo, Chard.
Oo nga.
Smile lang ako. Smile lang.
Okay, so we have a clip, no? Sa YouTube to, no? It's on YouTube. You can search it if you want. And so we're going to review it. We'll use physics, we'll use chemistry, we'll use ano pa?
Sense of sight.
Sense of sight, sense of smell to analyze itong clip and to figure out kung may foul ba or wala. Okay? Are you ready?
Ready ako.
Ikaw, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Sige.
At least masaya siya na makikita niya yan. Masaya niya.
Sige, para talagang para gumanda yung araw mo.
Ear to ear ang grin ko.
Oh, para makalimutan mo na yung car incident. Okay, so let's show the clip. To, I guess, annotate and see, makita natin ano ba nangyari dito. And Jason and Richard will explain, no? Ano sa tingin nila nangyari dito. So,
yan, lamang ng isa kami niyan.
up by one, San Mig Coffee. And then, magbi-miss doon. I think I was released. Baroka, with shot clock winding down, has to take the 3. And then, it's a miss. The rebound ni Mark Kagiwa. And then, when Mark got the ball, tumawag ng foul si referee
Edward
Aquino. Okay. And of course, Coach Tim at this point was already incensed. Again, there's the rebound by Mark Kagiwa and the reach-in by James Yap. And the contention is, tinanong niyo si referee Edward, di ba? Anong sabi ni referee Edward?
Tinamaan raw sa mukha.
Tinamaan sa mukha.
But di flagrant foul yan.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi.
Buti nga, pasalamat kami.
There you go. There's the reach-in as James was trying to swipe the ball. And in the opinion and from the vantage point of referee Aquino, it was a swipe to the face. Kaya tumawag ng loose ball foul. Okay. Okay, Jason. Mamaya natin tanungin. Jason, you saw the clip, and we already know, naturally, if you're a San Mig Coffee fan, obviously you feel that was not a foul. If you're a Ginebra fan, abay, syempre, you're thankful may foul na itinawag because you will agree with referee Aquino that there was a swipe to the face, and you're happy because it led to Mark Kagiwa sinking 2 free throws.
Yan tinatawag the breaks of the game.
Breaks of the game. Okay, explain.
Kasi naman, hindi lahat ng tawag mapipituhan ng referee. Now, if you get lucky na yung tawag that will be, sabihin natin, pabor sa'yo, matatapat pa doon sa closing minutes, swerte mo. Pag yung tawag naman na hindi pa pabor sa'yo in the closing minutes, natawag o hindi natawag, malas mo. But those are breaks of the game. It's tough. Meron pa nagsasabi dyan, kesyo, inayos daw, ganyan. There's no way you can simulate a basketball game para mapadikit mo ng husto, ganyan. It just so happened. What if Mark Kagiwa did not make those 2 free throws? But it must be said, we have seen more contact than that before. But it can also be said that there have been graver mistakes by the referees in this series.
Comment?
Well,
Alisa,
Hindi.
he's talking about this, nakangiti siya. Yan ang gusto ko kay Chard
Well, obviously, this is my biased opinion. Kasi, hindi naman ako pwede mong panggap hindi ako biased.
Siyempre,
Hindi, well, obviously for us, it was not a foul, not enough. But, to be fair also, and I'm always fair, it did not decide the game.
Yeah.
In my opinion. Hindi yun na nag-decide ng game because meron pa kaming chance to shoot. That happened 16 seconds. Okay, so nakalamang ng Ginebra, 1 point, we still had possession. And yun nga, hindi na kami nakashoot. Pero yun na nga, sayang lang kasi Ginebra would have been pressured to shoot under a settled defense. Hindi yung 2 free throws na walang bantay. Kaya nga lang, we have
Ba't hindi nyo binantayan?
Yun na nga. Actually, sinuggest ko yan.
Yun ang nakakita nyo ng lead nyo, nagpi-free throw. Hindi nyo binantayan.
Tapos sabi mo, Coach Tim,
Yan.
why don't we put a man on Mark while taking a free throw para mahirapan?
Yun na nga, sinuggest ko. Pinaupo ako eh. Pero alam mo, we really have to be very careful about this issue.
Bakit?
Because you have to remember, James is a Yap.
Edward is
And the referee is a Aquino. Okay? So, we really have to be careful about this issue. Okay? Kaya nga, I plan to go to the NBI. Check ko yung family tree nitong si Edward. Related eh. No? Sa past na yung related sa past ni James. Pero, Masaya, marami dahil may Game 7.
Oh, may Game 7. Oh, may Game 7.
And as athletes, as players, ang nangyayari ganyan, pag uwi mo, kung pakiramdam mo, kanya yan, Sunmig Coffee. Pakiramdam mo, galit ka dahil certain breaks did not go your way. But at the same time, the greater players go home and say, I will not allow the referees to decide the ball game.
Yeah, because by now, you should be over it. If you're a player of San Mig Coffee, much as you are disappointed with the outcome, tapos na eh. Hindi naman ma-reverse yung decision eh.
Yun na nga sinabi ko kanina pag gising ko eh. Kasi galit pa rin ako eh.
Pero ngayon nakangiti ka na eh.
Hindi, buti nga ngayon nakangiti ka na eh.
Oo naman, syempre.
And I think it's very admirable. And I think even Ginebra fans will respect you. Kasi ikaw, sabihin nila, buti pa si Coach Chad, no? Hindi dinidibdib yung nangyari nung Game 6.
Akala nyo lang yun.
Hindi, nakita ko eh. Yung mga Ginebra fans sa labas, sabi, number 1 ka. Number 1. Pero ibang daliri.
Ano yun? Yang salute?
Number 1 ka daw eh.
Yang salute. Okay, well, that is our attempt to try and rationalize. We showed you the clip, you saw the replay, and at this point kasi, by now fans have made their minds up. Kung tingin nyo that was not a foul, no reasoning, no explanation in the world will change your mind. And then kung tingin nyo naman that was a foul, same thing. No explanation in the world will convince you otherwise. No? But just like the players of both teams, they can't get stuck in the moment. Tapos na eh. Wala na, tapos na. So now you go to a Game 7, and we wish both teams the best of luck. So good luck sa inyo.
Thank you.
Good luck to all our friends in Ginebra, all the fans. Good luck to both fans of both teams.
Ay, lalo na. Good luck sa mga referee. Hindi totoo
Totoo. Our referees, these guys, they also work hard. And they work hard and they work under tremendous pressure.
At saka
tremendous pressure.
May ibang tao tinatawa, pinapagalitan yung mga yung mga referee. Subukan mo tumakbo, di ba hinihingal ka? Yung referee kaya may pito pa sa bibig. Di minsan napapapito.
Hingal na.
Good luck rin sa mga commentator.
Bakit? Ba't kailangan good luck sa commentator?
Kasi, sabi depende kung kailan ka magbabang.
Tama pa rin.
Diba? Tama rin. Sasabihin na isa, bias ka sa isa. Sasabihin naman yung isa, bias ka naman sa isa. Kaya good luck rin sa inyo.
Parang ako yung gagawa ng game na.
Good luck sa inyo, ha? Good luck sa inyo.
Okay. All right. So, again, good luck everyone involved in Game 7. Tapos kalma lang.
Kalma lang?
Kalma lang. Kalma lang.
Oo. Pero babalikan ko talaga ito. Bobo!
We'll take a short break. More of the Bro Show.
Wala naman tama eh.
They say nothing in this world is free, and for the most part, that's true. But here at NMF Network, all shows are indeed 100% free. And as an added feature, you have the option to subscribe to all your favorite programs, also at no charge. Why should you subscribe? By subscribing, you no longer have the hassle of delays when you stream the program. You also don't need to keep checking our site to see if your favorite programs are up, because they'll automatically be uploaded to your device as soon as it's available. Here's how to do it. First, open iTunes. Your next step, hit the iTunes Store button. A search bar should open up as soon as you do that. Type New Media Factory in the search bar, and all your shows should open. Pick the show you like, or all the shows you like. And once that opens, hit the subscribe button. And that's it. You're in. All shows will now be automatically downloaded to your device.
And now back to the Bro Show.
Okay, welcome back to the Bro Show. And again, good luck to everyone involved in Game 7. But, part of the Manila Classic experience, no, is yung asaran. That's part of it.
Yeah.
That's part of it. I mean, syempre, there are times it can go, like, it can cross the line, medyo minsan below the belt, or minsan may medyo suggestive na para bang may hocus-pocus na nangyayari. But I think that's part of it. That's part of PBA life na you know, nalulungkot ang fan, natutuwa siya, nag-aasaran sila, and that, you know, that's part of really being like ferocious fans for your team, hindi ba?
And that just also shows how invested yung mga fans natin doon sa teams nila. Diba? Kasi meron kang emotional attachment, may emotional investment ka na. Pag nakikita mo, kahit 12 players lang or 14 players lang sa isang team, feeling mo parte ka doon sa team.
Tsaka hindi biro yung ginagawa ng mga fans na, I mean, days before,
ay, yung
hours
pila.
before, yung grabe yung pila.
Parang ngayon pa lang may pila. Day before. Tapos Gen Ad lang yung binibenta.
Yes. Tapos, even hours before they open the gates, talagang nandun, ang haba pa rin talaga ng pila. And then, even after the game, di ba natatapos tayo mga
10:30.
Minsan, nalabas ako doon, mga 11, 11:30, meron pa rin mga fans na talagang they're outside kasi hindi naman sila pinapapasok to meet the players no sa may parking lot, but you know they're there, and you know nakakataba rin lang sa puso ko. I mean, like last night, nakikita mo naman mga fans, LA, Ginebra ng ganon. Pero when I rolled out my window, babayad ako sa ticket, tatawagin ka, tapos kakawayan ka. I mean, yung mga mababait rin sa akin, pati yung mga Ginebra fans. And of course,
panalo
San Mig ko. Babatuhin ako na ikaw.
Hindi naman ikaw yung pumito
Natutuwa yata sila kasi feeling nila kaya nanalo Ginebra dahil sa akin. Dahil sa mga maling bulong ko. Pero hindi. Pero at least tapos yung San Mig Coffee Planet, talagang todo rin yung support nila. No? So, nakakatuwa. And sa akin, personally, of course, kung ako lang masusunod, ayoko na magkaroon ng Game 7. But, you know, ngayong meron na, I am just happy to be part of this. I think this is going to be the first time in the history of Manila Classico na magkakaroon ng Game 7. In PBA history. PBA history. First time magkakaroon ng Game 7. And I'm just happy to be part of history.
So in essence, that also debunks yung notorious o mga weird claims na Kesyo set up daw, ganyan-ganyan. You know, gaya na sinabi ko, a game cannot be simulated. Hindi ka tulad ng wrestling yan na kaya mong i-simulate lahat. Ito, paano mo tuturuan yung isang tao i-shoot yung tira ni Slaughter na napakahirap. Diba? Yung mga ganyan.
Ang hirap nun kasi for that to be true, kailangan ng conspiracy theory na involved ang players, officials,
coaches.
And everybody. So, ibig sabihin, ang hirap nun. Plus, guys, yung bonuses dito, hindi biro. No? I mean, kung
tsaka yung pride. Yung personal pride ng isang manlalaro.
Ibig sabihin, for that to happen, siguro, dahil mong pera para magtapon ng ganon. And it's not, I mean, you're doing this for your families, and nagmumukha lang talaga kasing script. I mean, I'm talking about being insider part of this, no? Wala kaming wala kaming pinag-iisipang ganun. Talagang, yung focus namin, paano talunin ng Ginebra? I'm sure sila, ganun
din naman.
Diba? And you can see how intense we are during the games.
Di ba nag-away pa nga si Coach Tim tsaka si Ato ng isang laro?
Pa sila, diba? So, pero, it's a treat. Alam mo kasi, except for Game 2, ang ganda ng lahat ng laban.
Dikit ng mga laban.
Dikit ng mga laban. So, sarap panoorin.
Akin, my way of, and again, this is just like the foul on James. I mean, may mga tao, they're like 1,000% convinced that, you know, there are things going on na hindi dapat. Pero sa akin kasi, ang basis ko, it's how the players play. And I look at, let's say, Mark Pingris in particular. Papakamatay si Pingris. Si Pingris, binabantayan lahat. I mean, literally lahat. From point guard...
hindi niya nabantayan si... yun na yun. Hindi niya nabantayan.
Di ba? Si Pingris, binabantayan niya lahat. Okay? From LA hanggang kay Slaughter. Para sa... Kung alam mo palang matatalo ka, ba't ka pa gagawin? Ba't ka papakahirap?
Saka alam mo, yung mga tao nag-iisip ng ganyan, they've made up their minds.
Exactly.
And parang lahat na lang ng gawin mo or hindi mo gawin, nilalagyan ng meaning. Like, for example, may mga nagsasabi na bakit raw hindi nag-react ang coaches nung tumawag ng foul kay James. Kasi hindi namin sure kung may foul or wala.
Nasa likod rin kasi si Coach Tim.
Kasi hindi na yun yung namin Hindi na yun yung focus namin yun. Yung focus namin, sana pumasok yung tira ni Mark. Baroka, di ba? So, nung hindi pumasok, syempre, doon, na-disappoint. Tapos, halos di ko nga nadinig kagad yung whistle Tapos, nako-foul. So, inisip namin, baka foul nga si James. So, hindi ka naman pwede mag-react, ma-technical pa kami.
Yes.
Meron na kami warning, magka-free throw pa. Kung ako kunyari, pag wala ako doon, ako ma-technical, di ako sinisi. Di ba? So, yung later on na lang, makikita mo sa replay, and then you realize na,
sayang yun
parang wala, in our opinion. Pero hindi porket hindi kami nag-react at that moment.
Parang in-expect, alam nyo na.
Alam
nyo na.
Pwede ba yun? Alam nyo na mag-miss si Baroka. Alam nyo na ba?
Diba? Yan yung pang, diba? Parang,
layup nga. Yung mga layup ng mga nagkukwentong barbero ng gano'n. Ibigay ko sa kanila 10 beses, magmiminti sila isa, walang bantay. So it's close to impossible. And I also want to attach yung na medyo na cyberbully isang player dahil people were saying, let's say, si LA, na kesyo masama yung yung mga nagsasabi nun, ewan ko, mas tanga pa sa tanga. Bakit? Kasi, kung benta ka, bakit ka pa nilay-up ng dos? Di pinabounce mo na lang sa paa mo. Diba? I mean, why would you make yourself in front of the limelight?
Bad pass.
Bad pass.
Bad pass.
Diba? Yun nga yung problema When you're a person that only watches, parang ganyan yan nod ka ng TV, tapos may nakita kang magaling na player. Miski na sport pa yan. Pag medyo nakaano ka na, medyo may kumpiyansa ka na, kaya ko naman yung ginagawa niyan Magaling pa ako dyan But in essence, there's a reason why there's only 140 professional players in the Philippines out of 70 million population. Because they're the best of the best. And it's not you guys that are on Twitter bashing these people. It's these guys. Because they work hard and they're not going to hindi nila itatapon yung karangalan at yung pinagtrabahuhan nila for ages.
Okay, so let me drag our discussion back to the good side of being fanatics of teams, no? And this Manila Classico is a great example because talagang ito passionate tong mga to. Ito passionate tong mga to. So pag pinagsama mo yan talaga, it produces there are instances na unfortunate yung resulta because people cross the line. On the other hand, mas marami din yung nakakatawa kasi lumalabas yung creativity ng mga fans. Okay.
Yung maganda diyan you don't wag mong siraan yung player mo. Mahal mo nga player mo
Yeah.
Diba? Exactly. Bakit mo sisiraan yung player mo, yung team mo? Hindi, biruin mo yung kalaban mo.
Hindi, kasi minsan kasama sa pagiging fan yung naghahanap ka ng sisisihin.
Bakit pag meron ka bang asawa, girlfriend, tapos medyo hindi mo gusto yung ginawa, uupakan mo siya? Hindi naman Diba? It's a person, it's a team that you're in love with. So, hindi siya karinyong brutal. You just have to, kailangan positive parati.
Okay, so, natutuwa kami. Every now and then, makakita kami ng mga memes.
Ano ba yung memes? Ano ba yung memes?
Kala ko dati meme yan
Ako rin
Hindi, di ba? Yan yung kunyari, may picture, lalagyan ngayon nila ng accompanying text. Siyempre, yung picture, iba naman ang konteksto nun, and nilalagyan nila ng words to come up with a new meaning or a new context. So, we found some, I'm sure ang dami online, no? And if gusto nyo mag-share, share nyo sa amin. But at this point, we found a couple of memes na gusto namin i-share. So let's start sharing them now. Pico? Ayan. Ano ba ito? Si Barox to.
Barox.
Di ko matanggap,
Talaga feel. No? Kaya pala scripted, tingnan mo talaga with feeling
Hindi, at least yung ganito, walang malis.
Walang malis.
It is just pure, gusto mo lang pa-good vibes ang konti. Na even if...
At saka naisip mo lang, nakita yung picture.
Diba?
Caption this.
Kahit fan ka, talo ka, makita mo yan, kahit paano, mag-good vibes ka, kahit konti, diba? And you're not really offending anyone. Kasi minsan may mga memes na bigat
But how good has Mark Baroka played?
Grabe,
sensational.
Yeah.
Guess natin siya last week, diba?
Alam mo, may tanong. Kaya ba niya mag-BPC? BPC,
Oo naman, kung manalo kami.
Kung mag-finals kayo, kaya. Okay, next meme. Kung paramihan lang ng fans, sigurado, champion kami. Ito So, nakaka-6 games na tayo. Okay, going to the 7. Nararamdaman mo ba, Chard, na outnumbered yung... I'm not saying it's a fact. I'm asking if pakiramdam nyo kung outnumbered ang fans ng San Mig ng Ginebra.
Ako, yes.
Bakit?
Parang malalangas. Parang ang dami. Minsan ka sa likod ng bench namin, nakahinebra.
Nakita mo yun.
Saan galing ticket nito?
Di ba nakita mo yung kanina yung kay Coach Tim Con? Di ba yung pagkatapos ng foul, medyo nagalit siya. Naglakad siya doon sa... Hinebra yun.
Okay lang yan.
Ay, grabe. Kaya minsan, ang daming, syempre ngayon, ticket hinahanap, di ba?
Can we play the video again para makita natin Tingnan nga natin anong kulay ng t-shirt. Kasi pag pula yun.
Hindi, pula nakita ko kanina.
Hindi, tama. May tumapik kay, may tumapik kay...
kay Coach Tim pagkatapos siya magalit.
Sige,
tingnan nga
pikit mo na lang yung mata mo para di mo na makita. Ayan.
Hindi, nakapula lang.
Tingnan mo yun, tuwan-tuwa yun.
Ayan.
Pero hindi siya naka-Ginebra jersey.
Pero parang masaya siya eh.
Oo, masaya. Tingnan mo yung i-forward mo na konti. Tingnan mo yung katabi niya. Gumagano'n pa ng
Alam ko na. Hindi, ano yun eh. Yan yung... Rewind mo na konti. Yan yung director ng script. Kasi naka-headphones eh. Okay lang yan, coach, kasama sa script niya. Kasi,
Floor director.
headset. Pero nanonood ka ng game, nakaganyan ka. Ano, pinakikinggan mo.
Ba't di niya pa pinapasok yung nasa likod?
Sino yan?
Yung kape.
Yung kape. Munti ka niyan siguran yung referee, hindi lang siya makakala.
Bakit yung kape nakangiti?
Yun na nga, ganito rin yung
Dapat
merong ganun din siya.
Dapat nagalit din yan. So, paalam na lang natin. Papa-NBA natin kung Ginebra fan yan.
Slow moment, maganda yung isa eh. Gumagano. Pero nakatingin kay Coach Tim.
Yung katabi, tapos siya, dumapit si Coach.
Yun na nga
yan, Coach.
Yung supposed to be side namin eh. Kaya nga minsan sa likod mismo ng bench namin. Usually, ticket namin yan eh. Kaya ngayon, careful ako sa mga nanghihingi ng ticket eh.
Pero, marami kang ticket.
Wala nga akong ticket. Sinasabi ko na ngayon, wala.
Dami nakita ko sa kotse mo, nakakayang na gano'n.
Hindi, ticket na binigay sa akin ng bobo. Yung sa parking na...
Ticket na
Ticket.
Kasi titikitan ako eh.
Pero nakita ko one of the things that PBA is doing well, especially in the series, ang daming naka-jersey.
Yeah.
Ang dami.
Yeah. Tsaka minsan palumaan pa eh.
Hindi yung, may palumaan, tapos meron din, I saw a family, naka-Ginebra jersey sila. Kulang, 4 yung jersey nila. Buti, hindi sila 5. Siguro 4 lang silang pamilya. Meron na sila starting 5 dapat. Slaughter, Japet, Ellis, Kagiwa. 4 sila.
Hindi, yung pangalawa, Monfort, underage.
Hindi, hawak-hawak dito.
Hindi pinapasok. Hindi, may nakita pa nga ako, naka-Pure Foods.
Oo, meron.
Naka-Pure Foods na jersey nakita. Okay, next meme.
Ano yung sabi niya? Wala pa yung sundo mo. Andiyan na si Mami. Hindi pa nila alam na sila yung mag-figures.
Ano ba to, no? Draft pa yan, no? Actually, rookie camp pa nga yan eh.
Rookie camp, tama.
Of course, di ba? Hindi pa nga nila alam kung saan sila. Well, si Greg, alam na niya Ginebra siya. Pero si Meton, at that time ba, alam na niya na kukunin niya siya?
Hindi.
Wala.
Hindi naman namin alam kung abutin namin siya o hindi.
Oo nga.
Yeah, pero sino yung naka-backpack sa picture?
Ito sasakay si Belton eh. Sa backpack. Pero nga, no? At that point in their lives, hindi pa nila alam that they would figure prominently as rookies in an epic semifinals.
Napakaswerte nitong dalawang to. I mean, to be part of Manila Clasico, a Game 7, on their first conference as PBA players.
And to play well.
Yes, and to play well. And not just riding on the bench, be big factors with their respective teams. Napakalaki na experience for them. And that would really benefit them in the future.
Greg and Melton, how huge have they been for their teams?
Greg's the best player of Ginebra at the moment for the 6 games. If you put it all together, siya yung pinaka-consistent. Siya yung gumagawa ng lahat. Melton, outside of Baroka, best player of the bench para sa kanila. Change things. It changed things. It changed the dynamics of Sunwing Coffee. Sunwing Coffee, Coach Tim, doesn't really press as a whole. For most of his PBA coaching career, ngayon lang siya nagkaroon ng 2 ganyan na tantantini.
Tantantinin talaga. Si JJ nga, napilitan na rin eh. Nakipagsabayan na rin eh. Sige na, magpe-pressure defense na rin ako. Okay, next meme. Ano ba ito? Yan yung yan yung. Sige, basahin mo yung dialogue.
Sabi raw ni James, ano yan? Walang foul doon?
Yan.
Wala naman foul yun. Tapos sabi nung ref, Ganun talaga. Aquino ako, yap ka.
Wala naman kami sinasabi, ha? Those are just facts.
Ha?
Totoo
Totoo naman yun.
naman yun.
He's an Aquino, kasi that's his last name, and he's a Yap, because that's his last name. Wala naman kaming sinasabi.
Anong pangalan nung pinaka-head ni Aquino?
Ano?
Si Tito Boy. Boy Cruz. Si Boy Cruz. Boy Cruz. Tito Boy. Di ba? Yung head of
Mamapait ka, ha? Hindi kita papautangin, ha?
Hindi. Fact rin yun, ha?
He's Cruz.
He's the head of the referees.
Tama,
Si Boy Cruz.
Boy Cruz, that's right.
Tito Boy.
Ikaw, ha?
Ano sinasabi ko lang?
Okay, was that the last and we're sure ang dami pa niya. Ang dami pa niya. But sige, maybe we'll have like a segment here. Like once a month we'll put together like the best memes na meron kayo. So make sure you share it with us.
Kasi I'm sure tayo may mga memes rin tayo.
Ayoko makita. Okay.
Sigurado.
Okay, we'll take a short break and we'll have more of the Bro Show after these.
Hi guys, it's me, Tita K. Tita K! Come and hang out on Live Love Lols. Let's talk about makeup, beauty.
Hi, ganda.
Who's that? We can talk about ugly too, not just kidding. And of course, Donya problems galore. Yaya, ang spaceship paki-on. Fashion, shopping. Oh my god, shopping! I love shopping. Food. We gotta talk about food. Anything and everything on cyberspace. Let's buy everything. We can talk about glamour and ubusan ng glamour. We fly Wednesday 6 to 7 p.m. only on nmfnetwork.tv.
And now back to the Bro Show.
This word, these two words, no, parang baka ito yung maging catchphrase of the year.
Ano yun?
Alin?
Open letter. Bilaan na lang, lahat na lang,
May nakachamba na isa na post wala na, yun na.
No, but I read that open letter by Erson, and I'm happy for him. He got to meet LA, meet na si Coach Al, and then I think he'll get like a free ticket for Game 7.
I'm sure, ang dami na nagsusulat.
Yun na ka.
Baka free ticket rin sila.
And sa akin lang. Even if there are fans who may not find the letter meaningful for them, maybe they're cheering for other teams. But, sa akin, yung fan na yun, nag-share lang siya. Hindi naman niya, it wasn't his intention na
kumalat,
na sumikat, ma-TV, whatever. That's not his fault. I mean, he was just that letter was just for LA. Wala siyang way para ipadala kay LA. So, nilagay niya online, hoping na umabot. Umabot. And then, na-TV siya. So, sa akin lang, I just want to make sure na you don't hate on the guy. I mean, the guy was just being sincere. And everything that happened to him after that letter was not by design. I mean, nakataon lang yun. Now, it has sparked a phenomenon. Now, everyone's writing an open letter.
Just in case they want to see it, meron, di ba, pinost mo, no? In your Twitter account.
Yeah.
Doon sa hindi may alam what we're talking about.
It's so easy to find it online. I'm sure just Google LA Tenor open letter. You'll find it immediately. And that's part of fans showing their passion for their favorite players and their favorite teams. And this is something that probably would not have happened like 10 years ago. I mean, this kind of imagine mo, nagsulat ka lang ng letter. It was a blog.
Alam ko kung bakit di mangyayari 10 years ago.
Okay.
3 days ang padala 10 years ago Pag sumula.
Internet na 10 years ago.
Pero hindi pa uso yung
hindi pa yung, wala pa masyadong
social media.
Viral na in 30 minutes.
Diyan na, lahat na may alam na.
Pwede nang kumalat. And, I'm seeing open letters to everybody. Open letter to ganito. Open letter to the referee.
Ba't di ka gumawa ng sarili mong open letter?
Hindi, ito nga. Nakita ko nga kasi lahat na gumagawa.
Nakiuso ka.
Nakiuso ka na naman.
Because bakit? Dapat, everyone should be entitled to write an open letter. You can write an open letter. Kung sulat ka open letter.
Sulatan mo yung gawan mo ng open letter.
Yung batya.
Bobo!
Ikaw, if you could write an open letter, kanino mo i-address yung open letter mo?
Secret.
Doktor ba?
Okay, so ako, I wrote an open letter for Bo Belga.
Bakit?
Kasi,
Kay Bo,
finals na, naisip ko, maganda siguro, mabigyan ko ng open letter si Bo. So, eto yung, this is what I...
Galing sa puso to.
This is...
Dapat
Malakas
galing.
ang loob mo, ha?
this is from...
Kasi di mo alam kung paano niya tatanggapin, eh.
hindi na. Alam ko naman, ako sincere lang eh. Hindi, tsaka sigurado ako magugustuhan niya.
Talaga?
Sure ako magugustuhan niya.
Ganun mo siya
Yung nilalaman ng open letter ko.
Ganun ba?
Oo.
Sige nga.
Sige.
Dapat basahin mo to. Dapat parang wala tayong background music na binabasa mo,
yan.
no? Sayang, eh.
So, ito
Ano
yung
ba
open
yan?
letter ko. Recipe para sa adobo. Ayan. Recipe for Filipino. May ingredients. Ayan ha. May ingredients yan. Tapos may instructions kung pa. Tsaka chicken adobo.
Wow!
Chicken para mas healthy.
Ay, walang cholesterol.
Di masyado.
Take off the skin.
Walang pork, di pork adobo. Chicken, talagang pinili ko chicken adobo.
Pero habang, dapat basahin mo yung parts para yung malaman ko yung feeling mo, ha?
Kasi ito.
Dear Bo.
Ano yan?
Habang
Okay,
binabasa
sige.
mo.
Dear Bo.
Yung feeling mo habang sinusulat mo.
Ito ka.
Oh.
In a pot. Ano to?
Combine?
Combined chicken.
Kasalamin ka na eh.
Garlic. Malayo. Bay leaves, peppercorns, and soy sauce. Marinate for at least 30 minutes or overnight.
Alam ko ba para siniseduce mo si Bo?
Ay, sorry.
Huwag ganun
Ay,
din.
sige.
Nata-turn on sa doon sa
Ayun. Sorry.
Sinasabi mo.
Lahat ng mga love letter ko, gano'n eh. Drain garlic and chicken, then reserve the sauce. Set aside.
Okay, yan na naman.
Ay, sorry.
Pinaglalaway mo na naman sa dyan eh.
Maglalaway talaga siya. Favorite
Pagkain
na
yan
mo
eh.
Kaya nga,
Favorite
pero
yan
yung boses mo para kang seductive eh.
paano ba? Ano ba yung paano
Bigla
ba?
kang halikan yan pag nagkita kayo. Sige ka.
Ikaw nga magbasa. Sige nga, tuturuan mo ako.
Ayoko, hindi kasi emotions mo
Hindi
yan
kasi di mo mabasa eh.
Emotions mo yan eh.
Hindi ko alam paano ko ba, bro, paano ko babasahin ito na hindi seductive?
Hindi ko rin alam. Ikaw nagsulat ng sulat na yan eh.
In a saucepan. In a
Ay,
saucepan.
saucepan.
Heat oil and fry marinated. Chicken for 3 minutes or until golden brown. Wow. Pour marinade.
Hindi ka ba naiyak na nung ano?
Hindi, talagang maluha-luha ako eh. Add water. Simmer for 20 minutes or until chicken is tender. Or finish. And simmer for another 5 minutes. Season with salt. According to taste. Remove from heat. Then transfer in serving bowl.
Transfer ko!
Ito talaga. Ito hindi ko kinaya talaga. Serve with steam.
Bakit isa lang?
Hindi ko na kinaya.
Ilang cups kailangan?
Hindi ko na kinaya. Susulat ko pa sa ano, add extra, hindi ko na kinaya. Masyado na ako emotional nung sinulat ko yung part na yun eh. Sobrang emotional, hindi ko na matake eh. Hindi ko na matake.
Napaka-thoughtful mo, hindi mo kinalimutan yung kanin.
Talaga yun yung sabi ko. Yun nga yung pinaka-XOXO ko eh. XOXO. Pinaka-XO. Uy!
Akin yung XOXO
Dali,
eh.
nag-reply ba si Bo?
Nag-reply.
Ano sabi?
Nag-tweet. Ay, teka, babasahin ko. Babasahin ko.
Talaga?
Sige, share nyo
Sila
muna.
yung Bo?
Anong naramdaman nyo nung binabasa ko yung ano?
Ay, grabe talaga, no? Parang, iba, alam mo, kung ako may sumulat sa akin ganun, talagang, I will feel hungry.
Ito. Ito yung reply ni Bo. Makapagluto na nga lang ng adobo kay at Queenie Belga. Okay, tama? Na-inspire pa ngayon.
Pang Valentine's.
Yung si Mrs. si Queenie, ang galing magluto niyan.
Ay, oo.
Then, tsaka talaga, for a fact, yung adobo, favorite ni Bo talaga. As in, siguro kahit busog na busog.
Tsaka yung rice.
Tsaka yung nga, adobo rice, oh my gosh. Parang ano yan? Parang Sharon and Gabby. Guy and Pip. Daniel and...
Lahat na sinabi mo, hiwalay
Oo
na.
nga,
Hindi, ito. Si Daniel, tsaka sino yung si Chichay?
Chichay.
Hindi yung...
Chichay.
yung kalab team niya sa Got to Believe sa...
Katniel.
Yun. Si ano pangalan mo? Ayun, basta siya. Catherine Bernardo. Yan. Parang gano'n. Yung adobo, si Daniel Padilla. Yung rice, si Catherine Bernardo.
So yung lalagay mo siya.
Perfect Kobe. Grabe. Alam mo, nung kagabi talaga hirap na hirap pa matulog. Na-drain ako Na-drain talaga ako nung sinulat ko yun
Grabe, no? Ibang klase. I mean, you're very creative.
Parang hindi mo kinopya, no? Parang hindi. Ano kaya ginagawa nung ngayon?
Nilabo?
Oo, nag-aantay na lang yun
Nagre-relax yun. Okay, ito, question. So, Rain or Shine is in the final. Sila Bo, Ryan, Gabe, etc. And there's Game 7 tomorrow.
Yeah.
Manunod ba sila?
Oo naman.
Talaga?
Oo.
Because, is that, okay, are they going to watch it because they're partly scouting or are they watching it kasi, Game 7, kailangan mong panoorin?
I think both. Kasi interested spectator sila dahil mga kalaban sila nung mananalo and ano lang yon, kunyari, one day in between the finals and Game 7, no? So, talagang for them, para bang yung naghihintay ka ng kalaban, tapos sila nagsusuntukan pa.
Waiting
ka. Alam mo, bugbog na yung mga kalaban mo. Sige. Di ba? Kuha kang popcorn. Sige, bugbugan lang kayo dyan. So, I'm sure they're going to enjoy watching San Miguel Ginebra play a Game 7.
Yeah, because they can actually watch it as fans of the game. Tama ba? Can they?
Ako personally, kasi when the season is on, I never watch
anybody's
games.
teams.
Because I don't want to have any emotional either negativity against a certain individual, ganyan. No? So steady ka lang. Parang, I'll take care of mine, you'll take care of yours. Diba? So, kanya-kanya yan Depende yan. Kunyari, kung Rain, gusto nila manood. But the thing there is, baka makita mo, kunyari, pakiramdam mo, pinapanigan itong mapalalagay ngayon sa isip mo yun pagdating ng finals. So, these are the things that you want. That's why you want to keep it. Take care of yours, of what you are, of who you are, and the rest should if you're the better team, then it should lalabas naman yun
that explains a lot. So you never watched your opponents when they were playing?
Kaya lagi ako nadadaan.
Kaya pala parang di mo na-realize, ang bilis pala ni Johnny Ang galing pala dumipensa ni ganito. Kaya pala. Okay.
Mas maganda kasi pag muted na pagdadali na ng coaches yun. Wala na kasi
True.
Pag-edited na.
Pag-edited na.
Tama. Doon mo na lang parang kasi
na siya. Kumbaga,
wala ka naririnig.
Walang woo.
But the PBA players, and I'm not sure if it's a great thing or not, but it's a great thing for me because I know a lot of them watch. So I know Rain or Shine players will watch. I know other players from other teams, kahit eliminated na sila.
Yun ang mas okay manood pag eliminated ka.
Okay. Because alam ko dahil nagtitweet sila pagkatapos.
Hindi. Ako baliktad tayo. Ako pag eliminated na kami, ayokong manood.
Ayaw mo na.
Naiingit ako
At
Ako yun naman ang passion ko for the next conference.
Ako hindi. Ako naiingit ako. Habang alive pa kami, pinapanood ko ibang teams. Miskin elimination. Even when I was playing.
Lagi sandali lang yun.
Ha?
Tayo, lagi sandali lang.
Even, kasi parang pag-aralan ko kung sino yung babantayan ko, anong ginagawa, gano'n.
Ay, alam nyo, the other night, nagpa-Q&A ako. Ay, wala magawa. So, nagpa-Q&A ako sa Twitter. And someone actually, there was one person who actually asked me, and I think she was serious, kung naglaro ako sa PBA.
Wow, hindi serious yan.
Hindi, serious.
Hindi, serious.
Wala
Anong oras na? Anong oras?
Mga 11.
Adik.
Gabi? Sobra naman.
Hindi, pwede alcoholic.
Bakit? Walang emoji. Hindi naka-smiley face. Hindi yung ganun. Yung emoji na ganun. Wala.
Pero nung naka sa computer, naka-ganun.
So may isa nagtanong na gano'n.
Half-asleep na yun, half-asleep.
Natuwa naman ako.
Ano sagot mo?
Sabi ko, well, thanks for asking, but no. Yung isa naman tinanong ako, kung nakapaglaro ako sa PBA, anong team? Saan team ko gusto maglaro? Alam niyo, sinagot ko.
Ano sinagot mo?
Sobra ko kayong mahal, bro. Sinagot ko. Santa Lucia. Santa Lucia.
Like the millions of other Filipinos in the world.
Bakit? Tayo yung magiging big three.
Ikaw si Duncan. Duncan Ramos. Team Duncan. Ikaw si Ginobili. Ako si Tony Parker.
Bakit ikaw yung pinakagwapo? Si Tony Parker.
Siyempre. Tony Parker.
Lalong papaga yung pag-collapse ng franchise.
Di ba? Sabi ko, Santa Lucia, para kasama ko, si Jason _Web_Phil, tsaka at Chard Del Rosario.
May sumagot pa ba yun? Hindi na.
Sabi, buwahaha. Bakit? Lahat ng bata, nung generation ko, lahat yan nung unang naglaro, ang lahat ng pangarap niyan, sana maging Santa Lucia.
Ay, nako, grabe. Grabe.
Yun. Di ba? Yung pangarap mo, ano ba itsura ko in a Santa Lucia Realtor jersey?
Yan.
Ako nung dinraft ako ng Santa Lucia, parang nakita ko na, ito na.
Ito na eh.
Ito na. Alam na. Hashtag alam na.
Okay, so when we see you again, bali ano, so stay tuned lang for developments. We might actually have a different time slot and but baka lang anyway we'll announce it on Twitter, and then if you're watching this on YouTube or on iTunes, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe on iTunes, give a review or feedback if you can. We would greatly appreciate it. Okay?
Kasi Bo, sana okay lang ha, pagkatapos na binasa yun.
Yung Bo, si Bo, pinaalala mo na naman, ito naman, nagiging emotional na naman ako, tsaka nagugutom na naman ako. Di ba, gagawa ko yung dalawang open letter, maghanap ako.
Sige. Mo, ha?
Lalo na bukas, pagkatapos na laro niya.
Uy, good luck, bro, ha?
Good luck, bro.
Good luck, ha?
Bilisan nyo na, kasi babalikan ko itong bulag na...
Anong
Sana magkita kami.
Ano ginawa? Hindi na, mga late na nag-view.
Yun na nga eh. May yung bobot tsaka bulag na. Paparada ako, tapos sabi, tinamaan ko daw yung isang katabi.
Tumama ba?
Hindi, wala nga eh.
Yung driver nung tinamaan mo?
Sinabi niya mismo, hindi tinamaan. Insistent. Wala nga yung view niya eh, nasa likod siya eh.
Yung gwardiya?
Biglang pumito. Huy! Sabi ko, bakit? Sabi niya, ganun. Tinamaan mo eh.
Bakit hindi mo puntahan yung police commissioner?
Hindi, yung head ng agency. Head ng agency.
Di ba yung sa Batman, may police commissioner?
Commissioner Gordon.
Babalikan ko yan.
Okay, sige, bali. Sasamahan ka namin.
Babalikan natin.
Sasamahan ka namin. Okay, thanks for watching The Bro Show. Saturday, we'll be on Play FM 8 to 10 for The Bro Show on radio. And thank you, bros.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching The Bro Show. Bro.